Hey guys, this is my little brother, and let's see if my remote control truck can push him, okay? So, we're gonna put him next to the walker, and it's on. Let's see if we can push him. If that doesn't work. Doesn't work.
Is that what you're trying to do?
I'm trying to push it. I was able to push it without him.
It's too bad.
Yeah, I was able to push him, but earlier without him in it. But
What's mommy doing right now?
Mom, that's it. Oh, it doesn't work.
Mom, what do you
Anyway,
have
guys,
flash on?
you know my